we found that the matrix that represents this linear transformation, L, that takes R4 into R3, is this matrix right here. And we want to just kind of verify it a little bit. We want to see that for any vector v in our vector space R4, actually we're going to choose a particular vector. We're going to multiply the coefficient matrix of that vector in terms of this basis for R4. If we multiply it by this matrix here, will we get the matrix that's in R3, that's the coefficient matrix for the linear transformation applied to that vector. So let's make up a vector, and I'm going to choose something that's pretty easy. Looking at these vectors, I'm going to choose the vector in R4 that's 1, 1, 1, 1. And the reason I'm choosing that is because this vector, if you look at these basis vectors, it's just this one plus this one. So it is, let me just write these out. It is 1, 0, 1, 0. So the coefficient matrix in terms of that basis is just 1, 0, 1, 0. Now let's apply the linear transformation to V. What do we get? Well, here's the linear transformation. We're going to get 1, negative 1, 3. And now let's write this vector in terms of the basis vectors that we chose for R3. Let's look back at what those were. 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, negative 1, 0, 1. And let's see if there's an easy way to find this. I need a 3 in the bottom, so this one has to be a 3. So this is a negative 3. I want a positive 1, so this has to be a 4. In order to get that 1, so 4 minus 3. And then I need a negative 1 here, so this has to be a negative 1/2. So then L applied to V in terms of this basis is 4, negative 1/2, 3. Okay, so I just chose a random vector and I found the coefficient matrices. So what I need to do is I need to take this matrix and multiply it by this one, and fingers crossed I get this one. So let's see what happens. Okay, we're going to take L, BR3, BR4, multiply it by this vector, and hopefully we get this vector. Let's see. 2, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2, negative 1/2, 1, 0, negative 1/2, negative 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. What is this? So this is 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. Okay. Then we get 0, 0, negative 1/2. Actually, I can write that out just to make sure you see it. You get 0 plus 0 plus a negative 1/2 plus 0. I'm just taking this row with this column. And the last one is 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. That's a 4, -1/2, 3. Yay, we got the right thing. See? Great.